with yellow on top, and because this part is going to be significantly harder, I'm not really going to go in any specific order. I'm just going to, whatever presents itself is what we're going to place. So let's go ahead and see if we can place this piece either here or here. Okay, and we're going to do that in conjunction with, we'll say this one right here. Okay, so meaning I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to put it in the same rotational orbit as this. Okay, so this position is in the same rotational orbit as this. So what I want to do is temporarily put this piece here. Okay, because this is a wrong piece. Okay, I'm not concerned about these pieces or these pieces, anything that's sandwiched in between the corners. I'm not really concerned about. So that's the setup move. Okay, and what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna rotate just like that. Okay, so now we have a 3 cycle. If I were to simply, like, say I was going to take this piece and put it here, okay, now I got a 3 cycle. So down, down, up, up. I can return this, okay, I can return this, and then I return this, okay, and that's how we get a blue-yellow piece up here. So I've got another blue-yellow piece. It's right here. So what I can do is I can do a setup move like this, okay, and but if I were to do because I can't just do a setup move like that and a setup move like this, okay, because if I just do that, then I'm gonna knock this one out, okay, because I need something else here. So let's go ahead and again utilize this. All right, we're going to utilize this one to put it in the same rotational orbit. Okay, so now I can turn this. All right, so I want to put this piece right here. So down, down, up, up. I want to return this. Okay, return this one. And how do we do this one? This goes this way. Nope. This one goes this way, and then this one goes this way. Okay, and that's how we get a 3 cycle, and these pieces placed correctly. Okay, so let's see if we can get something going with, say this one right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and put one of these dud pieces, right? We'll put it right there, right? Same rotational orbit as this one. All right, we're going to rotate that. Okay, so we have a 3 cycle here, here, and we're going to put this piece, say, right there. Okay, right there. So we're going to go down, down, up, up. We're going to rotate this one back, rotate this back, and then rotate this one back. Okay, and that piece is placed correctly. All right, so how about this one? Okay, so if I rotated this white, green, or white, I'm sorry, yellow, red, okay, the 3 cycle would be between here, here, and here. So what I need to do is, if I want to put this piece right there, I'm going to have to rotate this, right? Then I'm going to have to put another piece in its rotational orbit. So this one would be in the same rotational orbit. Turn that over, right? And then just go down, down, up, up. Okay. I noticed that I just, by pure luck, that one went in. So that was a little bit of a bonus. Return that. Let's see. We got to do this in the correct order. We return that one, return this one, and return this one. Okay. Like I said, that one just happened to fall in the yellow green. Okay, so is there a yellow red, another yellow red. Where is it? Let's see, that's not yellow red. Yellow red. Oh, it's way back here. Okay. So what I can do is simply take this yellow red. See that yellow red right there? I can do a 3 cycle between here, here, and this position. So I'll just take this, put it in this position. Now you got a simple 3 cycle. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Down. Down. That just happened to fall in. Up. Up. Okay. And then undo the setup move. Okay. And these pieces are now in. Okay. Let's see here. Let's do a 3 cycle. Yellow, green, right? We're going to try to put it right there. We're going to use this piece right here, right? That dud piece, we're going to put it right there. Rotate that, okay? So we rotate it in this position. We're going to take this and put it here by simply going right there. Down, down, up, up, rotate this back, and rotate this back. Okay. I don't know. Did we knock this one out? For some reason I think I did. I don't know. But no big deal. I'm not really tremendously worried about it. We just do that right there, right? We just put it right back where it belongs. Down, down, up, up. Okay. That actually put that one in position as well. And rotate this back. Okay, so these are done. That accidentally got placed correctly. These are done. That one accidentally got placed correctly. So, I'm not too worried about it if one just happens to slip out real quick. No big deal. This one can go here, simple 3 cycle, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so it's dud piece, and this is dud. So up, up, down, down. When I mean a dud piece, I mean a piece that has not been placed correctly. It's just it's in the wrong spot. Okay, so the greens are done. Let's finish this off. We have 2 more yellows to go. This position. So this one and that one. Okay, so we need to set up a 3 cycle to be able to place this one or right here. Okay. So the 3 cycle would be from here, here, and here. So let's set this up. We're gonna. Now I can just do it like this, where I can just take this piece right here because it's wrong or a dud, right? And I can just put it right here. I can take this piece and just simply put it right there. All right. I just have to remember how I did this. So, or set this up. Down, down, up, up. Okay. Now the hard part is to remember how you had set this up. So you gotta return this one and then return that one. Okay, and that one's easily placed and nothing else has been affected. So that's another way of doing it. You don't have to do the setup move where you do like that and put in the same rotational orbit. You can, you could do whatever you want. However you want to be able to get these in. It's going to work. Okay, so I need to put this yellow orange piece right there, right? So a 3 cycle would be here, here, and here. Okay, so if I just simply turned this one into this position, okay, well then I've got this position's covered, right? This position's covered, but this position is not. So I'm forced to have to use one that's in the same rotational orbit. Okay, so this one's on the same rotational orbit. Turn that, so we have the 3 cycle now. And we got to remember what we're trying to place here, because to be honest with you, even I just forgot. Okay, I'm going to put this piece right there. All right, so down, down, This just happened to get placed correctly. Up, up, okay. Then we need to undo the setup moves. Undo that, and undo that. Okay, and just like that, the whites have been unaffected, right? They're all still good. And we just finished the yellow, and that's all been unaffected, or it's just been affected, and it's all good. And now we're looking to finish these edges, and these edges. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so this is the last part of solving the cube, and we just want to get these edges together. And it's kind of an unusual situation where this piece, and this piece are all placed correctly. Didn't plan it, but that's the way it worked out. Okay, so let's see if we can start placing anything here. Okay, so we want to place, let's just say, let's say this blue orange right there, okay, in between the blue and the orange. So how are we going to get it from here to there? Well, we're going to utilize this piece right here, same rotational orbit as this, okay. So we're just going to do that one setup move, two setup moves, right? So we have 1, 2, 3 cycle, down, down, up, up, return this, and then return that, and that piece is placed correctly. Okay, so what do we have left? We've got, so if that's correct, and that's correct, oh, okay, so we just placed 2. We have this one and this one. Okay, so let's see what we can do with this. Let's see, we have a green orange and a blue red. Okay, so green orange and blue red. So that doesn't actually line up with, we don't have 2 like colors, right? So green, orange, and blue, red, we don't have 2 similar colors. So what we need to do is, I think we need to swap out, say, this piece and this piece, okay? 2 like pieces, because we can't have 2 that are correct and neither one of them have a similar color, because if it had a similar color, we'd be able to use the other color to help solve the cube. But since there's no similar colors here, we're gonna take one of these wrong pieces, we'll say this one, we'll put it in this position, and then we're gonna swap out this white and this white by simply turning this way, this one this way, okay, and then we're gonna go 3 cycle. We're basically, our goal is to put this white red or white green over here. So down, down, up, up. Okay, now we want to undo everything that we just did. So we're going to undo that. We want to undo this and undo this. And the reason that we did that is to help give us a 3 cycle, 3 pieces that we can actually cycle. So we have 1, 2, 3 pieces. Okay, so now we have a 3 cycle or 3 pieces. Let's see if we can get them in a 3 cycle position. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, let's see. Let's see if I do that. Okay. And you just gotta work it out a little bit, So this one, I'm gonna do 1 rotation like this, a 2nd rotation like that. Okay, so turn this one, I turn this one to put this one and this one in the same orbital plane, right? And then if I turn these, I have 1, 2, 3 cycle. So I need to put this one here, so I'm going to go down, down, up, up, Okay, I need to undo this. I need to undo that. And then I need to undo that. Okay, and then now the cube is solved. Okay, great. So, but like I said, if you had, so you can't, really cycle. You can't cycle two unless you had one of the same color, right? So, let's just say you had the two pieces that were out were the green and, you know what? Actually, let me set this cube up and I'll show it to you. Yeah, let's do that instead. Okay, so it's a lot easier just to show it to you instead of trying to explain it to you. The entire cube is solved except for two pieces. Now, typically, you've heard me say that you can't cycle two pieces, and no, you cannot cycle two pieces. You have to cycle three pieces. But in this case, we have a similarity here, right? We have white, red, and a blue, red. So the similarities are the reds, okay? So we have actually two white reds that we can use. We can use this one, and this one. And make no mistake of it here, we are doing a 3 cycle, okay? So the way that we're going to do this, even though there's two pieces out, we're going to utilize the other white red, okay? Because it doesn't matter. White red's a white red, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to do the setup move from here to here, okay? Then we're going to do a setup move where we're going to utilize this piece because we need to do a 3 cycle. Remember, this piece, or this position, and this position. So we're going to take this white red and we're going to turn it here. So now we have two white reds. We take this white red and put it here, okay? This white red is actually going to go over here, right? So it's going to swap. It was going to go from here to here, right? But so the 3 cycles from here to here. So down, down, up, up. Okay, that piece got placed correctly. Let's start undoing our setup moves. Okay, if you undo that, that all falls into position. Undo this, that all falls into position, and then you undo this, and then that all falls into position. So the catch with being able to cycle two pieces is, well, you're not really cycling two pieces, you're cycling 3, but 2 of them are of like colors. Okay, so that's the 5x5x4 Bubbloid. I hope you are able to solve this cube. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and we'll see you next time on Bearded Cubing 101. Thank you. Goodbye.